Starkville, Mississippi. And we're headed to Birmingham, Alabama for a couple of reasons. One, we've never been to Birmingham, so we're gonna go check it out. And two, that's the nearest shopping area. There's not much here in Starkville. So we're gonna go shopping for Ryder's birthday's on Monday. And well, Ashley's birthday is the following week. So anyway, we're going to Birmingham, Alabama from Starkville, Mississippi. Oh, good morning, Ashley.
Oh, hi.
How are you?
It's bright out here.
It is bright out here. That's why I got these
Us Mississippians.
sun protectors.
Us Mississippians, we haven't seen the sun in a while, huh? That's not true.
No, it's been beautiful the last couple days. So, where are we at, and what are we doing here, and so on and so forth?
So, we're in Birmingham, Alabama. We came over to...
Well, we're in Hoover right now.
Oh, we're in Hoover right now.
The Met. Is it called the Met?
It's called the Hoover Met
Hoover
Complex.
Met Complex. It's really a cool place. It's a big sports complex, and they have an RV park so you can stay while you do your sporty things.
Or not. Half these people were old people, not sporting anything.
That's true. That's true.
So,
So now we are at this enormous play place thing over here.
we like it. $40 a night. Still a little high for what I thought Alabama should be.
Yeah, $40 ain't bad.
Yeah.
There's no amenities or anything, but if you're here to use the sports complex,
I think there's laundry.
$40 would be awesome.
Oh, I don't know.
This. So we're at the Heart of Dixie RR Museum in Calera, Alabama. And it's actually really cool. We went and rode the big train. It's an hour-and-a-half ride, $15 a person, which, you know, use your own judgment on how expensive you think that is. But they have a narrow gauge railway, and it's right here. I don't know the prices on it. We didn't ride it. It just goes in circles. It's more of for the little guys. So right now they are doing their fall festivities, and so it's scarecrows this month. They usually do a pumpkin patch, but because of COVID they're not allowed to. So they just have these scarecrows, and they have a little fall festival set up here. And they have a gift shop.
time, I'll bring
Bring a can.
a can of WD-40 and that won't make that much. Yeah. Here, let me get that for you. All things are cured by a little WD-40.
There you go. So we had a super great time at the Heart of Dixie Railroad Museum. Of course, Braden had to get stung by a wasp, so he whined and moaned about that. I guess it hurt pretty good. We rode the train, hour and a half ride. We looked through all the big trains. We had lunch in the motorhome. It was a really great day.